Hey everybody, my name is Chef Chris Bailey, and today we're making a sole escabeche with saffron aioli. You pickle the fish in a hot brine that has vinegar, oil, aromatics. Cutting the fish into these long thin strips will allow it to cook evenly. Here we have our strips, and what I'm gonna do is just roll it into these little rosettes, these like little spirals. Okay, now we'll make our escabeche liquid. Slice thinly 2 large shallots, 1 large clove of garlic, 4 thyme sprigs, or about a couple teaspoons of the leaves, 3 bay leaves, a good red wine vinegar. Don't skimp on this because that brings a lot of flavor to the party. 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Put it on medium-high heat. Keep a watchful eye, give it maybe 5 to 10 minutes. Going alongside the sole escabeche is a really wonderful saffron aioli. We're gonna start with 1 whole egg yolk, 1 whole clove of finely minced garlic, about a teaspoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of saffron. Give this a good mix, incorporate, and now we're drizzling in about a cup of extra virgin olive oil. Our shallots, our garlic in the liquid is cooked down, everything is translucent. We're bringing it to a good boil. Pop into a fridge and let it just sit in that liquid till it comes down to at least room temperature. Pluck those skewers out. And I'd garnish with some pepper on top and then just some chopped parsley, maybe a little flaky sea salt. I just put the whole thing.